How to increase your credit limit for your Chase credit card. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and log into your account on Chase. And once you log in, you'll find your credit card options right below your account overview. Just tap on credit card. And once you open it up right below your credit card details, you have your manage account option. Just tap on it. And then from there, you have on the second option to increase credit limit. Tap on the second option, and then here you're going to have to provide a bit more information, like your total gross annual income. It might be pre-entered for you from your account, but if you don't have it, you can just enter your total gross annual income. So if you don't know what that is, it includes your earning from your full-time, part-time, or self-employment, interests or individual investments, retirement, social security benefits, and more. Then you can enter your monthly mortgage or rent. Once you have entered all of that, you can scroll down and see the next button. On the next page, you'll have a confirmation page to see if everything looks good. Then you can just tap on submit and you're good to go. So the credit limit has successfully been increased. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.